We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. So cute. We are back at it. Gonna start building again. Have a little project that involves this guy, his brother, 2 sisters, and his mom, because we've been feeding them up here on the sink. We're kind of gonna need the sink back, and we have these 2 in the brooder coop, and we kind of want to get them out of the brooder coop. So this mess of kittens, that's Bindy's baby, Frodo. And so she had 4 babies. She and her 4 babies are in need of a place to have their dinner and breakfast, and then also a place to lounge around.
Other than the sink.
Other than the sink, yes. And they are integrated now with Arthur and Gypsy and all the other cats that we have.
So, I wouldn't say necessarily integrated, more like
tolerated. Tolerance, yeah. So we need to get these guys out and have a place to put them, to feed them, so that they can get used to everybody. We do let these guys out. As a matter of fact, I was going to do that right now. We do let them out, but we keep them in here at nighttime and we feed them in here because nobody likes them. And when they get out, they don't really have farm cat mentality. They're kind of crazy.
Yes.
Like Ricochet Rabbit.
Yeah.
So we need to get them out of the brooder coop so we have our brooder coop back.
Yep.
There's Miss Hope. And that's Mr. Lucky Doo. And see... Well, I guess Arthur's sort of curious at this point, but if Lucky got any closer, he would be hissing and growling and... Anyway. So what we're going to have to do is just open the door and come what may with these 2.
Yep.
They're not... They were our Christmas gift.
Yeah.
God saw fit to give us 2 cats for Christmas.
Yep. 2 more.
2 more. So they're not part of the same batch, same bunch of cats. A baker's dozen, yeah. So what we have decided to do is add on to the cat shed. Not that it needs to be larger, but we need areas for feeding and lounging. See, that is Frodo's brother Sam on the bottom, right there. And that's Frodo's sister Monkey. I don't know where Mary is right now.
Nothing seemed to, no.
Mary's always kind of on her own.
Yeah.
She dances to her own drum. Mm-hmm. So, what we were thinking was that we would just create like little sheltered platforms, like what he's laying on right now, but a little bit larger, and then covered with a roof and 2 sides, and then a countertop over here. And that way that puts all the cat over here. All the cats over here. And then we can let Hope and Lucky out. And probably use the sink for a little bit with them until everybody gets used to them, and then we can just feed everybody in one spot. It'll make it a lot easier for us. And Gypsy still eats here on this little table. She's the queen.
Yeah.
The mama kitty. She has her own little area. So what we were thinking was kind of like a box here and a box there and a counter underneath. And we went and got all of our sort of viable wood. We don't know really what we're going to need. So we have some 2x6, 2x4, 1x6, 4x4, and some siding. And then these are some cut ends from something else that we were doing. And then we have the saw, and we've got the brains of the operation right here. I'm just running the camera.
Huh.
So it's going to cost us nothing.
Yeah, we already bought everything.
We already bought
We're just gonna
everything.
Use what we've
Yeah.
already purchased and haven't used yet.
Right.
And especially scrap, you know.
Yeah,
Wherever you
well,
build
like the
these things.
siding scraps.
Yeah,
You know,
whenever
you
build
can't
this
really
kind of
use
stuff,
them.
you always have a ton of scraps from it, especially as many things as we've built. You know, so I'm taking pictures to measure.
Yeah. Okay.
Not.
There must be a
kidding.
tape measure around here somewhere. I looked in the house and I didn't find mine, so it's got to
I
be
think it's in there.
out here. Yeah.
It's the lime, yellow, green one
Yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Bright yellow.
All right.
That's it.
Let's get to it.
Yeah, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna figure something out.
We're gonna figure out something, whether it's right or wrong. We don't know.
Yeah. I'll make it right.
That's yet to be determined.
And if anybody watching this has watched some of the same movies we have, we're going to start turning this thing to look like the Weasley house.
The Weasley house. No,
I mean, it'll
be
look
square.
good. Once we finish doing this, it'll look good, but it'll be interesting too. I mean, it's almost like we might as well put crenellations on the top and then turn these things into looking like parapets or something, like on a castle, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
That would be interesting. But yeah, we'll get started on it at least today. I mean, it might take my next day off to get it finished. We'll see. See how it goes. For the other two sections.
I wasn't recording. Sorry.
Okay, cool. Going forward.
I wasn't recording like any of that.
I know. That's
like-
why I'm going to go ahead and cut.
But no, I'm gonna explain it again.
Oh, jeez.
So we built a shelf. I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. We built
Any
a
of it?
shelf. We built a shelf. Yay!
Yay!
And we were gonna stop at that because the gnats are horrible. Horrible. The gnats are horrible. Shelf.
Very sturdy.
Very sturdy.
Easily sturdy enough for cats.
Yes. And so then we decided that since we already had the brackets done, they're down here, that we were gonna just push forward and get the other two platforms done. That will be the two little cubbies eventually, but we probably won't build the cubbies tonight. Anyway,
Watch.
we'll have 3 cat. Shelf. Cat shelf. Look, see, he even looked up like, are you going to make it go higher? Yeah. Yes, we are, Morganon. Yes, we are.
Yep. There we go. We got that. So now we already made our supports for
So
the shelves.
Now we're cutting the.
We're gonna cut the flooring for the next two sections, which we explained before, but we're gonna make a couple cubbies on the side higher up, and we'll use 2x4s as the flooring for it.
Look at him.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you like that? He says, I like this. And see, that's the shady side of the house too, so it'll get morning sun, but in the afternoon when it's super hot, yeah.
That's where the cats do special deals.
Shady side. Like the tracks run through here somewhere, but we haven't found them yet.
Right.
Yeah, so it's gonna be good. They're gonna like it.
Yeah. Yep. All right, so we'll get to it because we're running out of daylight and.
Well, and we have this above us again. Like every day, it's been severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm watch.
And right now we're up to 40% chance in an hour.
In an hour, yeah, every hour. 30% chance for
now
rain.
It's up to 40.
In an hour.
Yeah. So we'll see.
Oh,
yeah.
Look at this. Frodo, be nice. So Frodo and Hope. And Monkey's gonna get her. I hear a lot of hissing. Oh, somebody else is hissing at Lucky. It's just a lot of hissing. Oh, now Monkey's got to get her face in it. They'll figure it all out.
And of course the 60-pound dog.
The hierarchy. Yeah, they're over there. If we let them out, they're up on the deck.
It'd be total mayhem.
They would chase everybody, so.
It'd be like an insurance commercial.
Not
Mayhem.
today.
Nope. All right, going to it.
Okay, so we're doing 42 inches and about, I don't know, 1.5 feet, 2 feet of this will have wall around it. Probably 2 feet.
2 feet.
I think I did the other ones 13.5.
Yeah, sounds right.
We have one installed. And so they're going to be opposite of each other as far as their construction. This one will have a wall here and this way about 2 feet, all enclosed with a sloped roof right here. And then this will be open. This will stay open, and then that will mirror over here, so it'll be open, and then 2 foot of closed with a closed side and a roof. And the roof is going to go all the way across the window, which will give shade in there as well. So I think it'll be cute. But today we're just getting the platforms. Just the platforms.
So we just finished the shelf for food and the floor for our cubbies. That's what we're gonna get done for tonight. But we're pretty successful on that. Extremely sturdy, right there. So don't have to worry about that whatsoever. Next step will be we'll get a framework probably right about here, going about this high. Put siding on these two sides right here. Get a sloped roof going on here, so if it does rain, it runs right off. We'll do that here. This will be like a little bistro platform area, and we'll have the reverse over here. We'll have the cubby area right in here, and we'll have the little bistro area there. So that way the 4 kittens and Bindi can eat their food over here. And since we've already got all the platforms set up tonight, we're going to go ahead and give that a test with them. Get them off the sink.
Get them off the sink.
And then, yeah, you get it.
And then Hope and Lucky, after a few nights of this with these guys,
Yeah.
we can let Hope and Lucky out and start feeding them on the sink.
Yep.
Until they're integrated.
And just so you know, I got a splinter the size of the Empire State Building.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if you'll ever see me again. Might have to cut off the whole arm, I'm not sure. But we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go to the emergency room next.
Oh, you are. Oh my goodness.
Yep, but that's it for tonight. We're gonna get cleaned up. The bugs are seriously bugging.
Seriously bugging.
Very seriously bugging. I don't know. Their bites really sting initially, but like mine was pretty well swollen.
Yeah, but tomorrow.
Right there, and it's already gone away, so that's pretty good.
Wait till tomorrow.
Wait till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yep, so we're all good.
All right.
We will see you later when we finish this up.
Yep. I think it'll be easy actually, because we have the foundation.
Yeah, we got the foundation. We just got to put the rest of the stuff on there.
Yep.
Piece of cake.
Okay.
All right. Bye.